the sway. Now I will take you through sway step by step, and I wish that you watch me first, then you start applying, just not to be distracted. So the first thing I'm going to do now is I will go to sway. Where can I find sway? It's very simple. Here is Google. I will type down Office 365. I hope that everyone's watching now. Then I click on Office 365 login. Because I'm using it, it took me automatically to this main screen of Office 365 that has the dashboard of the applications that belong to Office 365. Well, what you need to do is make sure that you're signed in using your Riyadh Schools account, because some of you have Outlook account or MSN account or Hotmail account, and they are automatically signed in through their personal accounts. Make sure that you sign out and sign in again using your Riyadh Schools account. If you're signed in with your Riyadh Schools account, well, what you need to do is click on sway. Once you click on sway, it will take you to that page, and you'll be asked to start a new blank sway. Just click on it. The title here is Application for MIEE 2020. Now, everyone, please do this step. If you are done, it's fine. If you are not done, please do it now. So log in to your Office 365 page, then click on sway, then start your new sway presentation.
Anas, can I just ask, is it a new blank sway or start from a document?
New blank sway.
Right.
Mr. Anas, I can see my colleagues in the national are, uploading their files on the file that you said this is for international.
This is for international, yes. And if you're doing this with Mr. Abdul Karim, no need to do this again.
Mr. Abdul Karim didn't ask us up till now to do this. So shall I upload it to your
it
link
doesn't
here?
matter. So let me tell you, why are we doing this? Because one of the steps is it will ask you to drop your transcript in the application. And all what you need to do is you just click on the application this way and you copy link. This link is the one that you are going to drop in your application. Okay, thank you, Mr. Anas, for sharing your screen. Do you want to say something about that? Mr. Anas, you are muted. If in case you are saying something, please unmute yourself. Again, Mr. Anas, you are muted. If you'd like to say something, please unmute yourself.
Okay, you hear me?
Yes, we hear you now.
Yes, you have asked us to follow the steps. then I want to say that I have started with logging in Microsoft 365, and now I have started the first step as you have told us.
Okay.
Thank you.
So now please disconnect your screen so that I can share mine again to show you where to go.
Okay.
Now I will continue where to go. So I wrote application for MIEE 2020. Oh, I'm sorry. Do you see this plus? When you click on it, it tells you what you want to add. So you add new text. When you add new text, here you're going to introduce yourself. Let me show you how my presentation looks like. So this is how I created my Sway presentation. So here is the title, applying for MIE 2020. You can add a picture if you like. How to add a picture from here. You click on this and you add a picture. And to add text, you keep clicking on the plus here, and the option that you get is add text. By adding more text, you still can type. In the first card, after you type applying for MIEE, you need to write down your personal information first. Who are you and your position, your contact information. So here, the first one here, please write down your contact information. After that, you answer the questions. The first question is, why do you consider yourself to be a Microsoft Innovative Educator? The second question, then you copy the questions and write down the answers. I will share with you what I wrote down, and this should influence you. No need to copy it as it is. So for the first question, they are all general questions with general answers. So learning is a mutual process between the learner and their teachers. I wish I can enhance my students' learning experience. I consider myself. I know you can write about that. Okay. For the second question here, describe how you have incorporated Microsoft technologies in innovative ways in your classroom. So I spoke about one Microsoft Teams experience that I did with my students. So I wrote down here, during the lockdown time, I've greatly exposed myself and my students to alternative learning opportunities through Microsoft Teams. And I wrote what happened and why I created this Teams. It was to promote literacy. And I added the link to that team. You can write about a quiz that you did using Microsoft Forms, for example, and you describe it and you add the link of Microsoft Forms, because I think most of you have used Microsoft Forms for that reason. But the point is, please do not include anything about a Google application, for example, because this is a Microsoft application. So maybe you can add something about OneNote, you can add something about Teams, you can add something about Forms, you can add something about Sway, but not about Google Forms or Google Docs or Google Sheets. Again, I repeat, do not add something about Google, please.
Excuse me, Mr. Anas.
Yes.
Where can we find the questions?
Pictures?
The questions.
The questions?
Okay.
Now, if you go to our team,
yes,
we have technology integration here. In technology integration, you find that I added an article here called How to Nominate Yourself as a Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert. When you click on it, here's the main article, How to Nominate Yourself as a Microsoft Educator Expert. All what you need to do is scroll down and it will tell you exactly what you need to do. Then, here are the steps. Step 1, make sure that you join the community. We're all done with this step. The second step is, yes, this is a significant thing for the new teachers who have not completed their MIE certificate, because we have MIE and MIEE. I will go back to that now. Step 3 is create a Sway, and here are the questions. Why do you consider yourself a Microsoft Innovative Expert?
Okay.
The 4 questions are here. Then here's the link for nomination. When you click on nomination, it will take you to another link where you started the application, but don't start the application now, we'll start it together. But all what you need to do is to finish your sway. So the first card here, write your contact information, your name, your position, your school, your email, your phone number. Then question 1, and its answer. Then new text for question 2, its answer, and so on. Easy?
Yeah, very easy. Thank you for that.
All right. For the new teachers who have not completed their MIE, please, new teachers. I think only Simon and Lawrence are new to that. Maybe I'm Semi as well. All what you need to do is.
No, I had MIE, Mr.
Okay. So all what you need to do is, do you see the learning path? Click on it. Then in the search here, write MIE. It will take you to this course, MIE Trainer Academy. When you click on it, it will take you to a page that includes the 10 courses you need to finish. So this is 1 course, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 courses. You will find that since you're doing, like for example, we did engage and amplify with Flipgrid, you'll find that it's automatically done. If you are done with Microsoft Forms before, you'll find it done. So you will find that some of you, the new ones, you'll find that some of the courses are complete. Some of the courses need to be completed. All right, new teachers, okay?
Where's that page? I couldn't find a search box just now. Where did you put the search box? In Educator Center.
No, scroll down. Do you see learning path?
Hold on. Educator Center. Hold on. Yeah, learning path. Okay.
Click on show all.
Right.
In the search.
Search box, MIE. Okay.
MIE.
Thanks.
Did you find that? Did it appear to you?
Yeah. MIE Trainer Academy. Yeah.
Yes. So you need to complete that.
Okay. Thanks.
Now, if you'd like to know more about the process, as you know, the article is there. Here, you click on technology integration and click on this article. It will take you to the page where we stopped. Now let me pick up where I stopped. Step 1, ensure you join the community. So we're all there. Number 2, become a certified MIE. I think new teachers, you need to complete that. Step 3, you need to create a 2-minute video or sway that answers the following questions. So we all know now how to create sway. If you don't know how to create the sway, please let me know now. Okay, and these are the 4 questions, as you can see. And here is a sample sway that I have created for myself. That includes the title of what I did, my personal contact information, then the first question with a general answer to that, then a second question with how I provided the evidence by dropping a link. So you can drop a link of Microsoft Teams or OneNote or Microsoft Forms. And I recommend Microsoft Forms since this is the easiest thing and we all did that. The third question here is about how will you impact your team. So please talk about sharing this in the PLT. The third question is about learning from each other in a PLT, and we are already doing this in our PLT. For the last question, fourth question, if I become an MIEE expert, how do you hope to impact your current role in the next 12 months? So for next year, what are you going to do? It's basically about training your team members, or helping your students receive learning experience, more resources, and remember to highlight the 21st century skills that include collaboration, problem solving, creativity, and stuff like that. Once you're done, now can I have your attention, please? Can I have your attention? Are you following, gentlemen?
Yes.
Once you're done creating your sway, here you have the sharing functionality. So when you share, you click the third one, anyone with the link, then you'll have the link here. You have view or edit. Make sure that it's view, then copy the link. So there should be two links to be added to the nomination form. The one that you get from your transcript, and you get it easily by clicking on it, then copy link. And the second one is from your sway, as I have just illustrated how to do that. By clicking on share, then make sure it's view, then you copy the link. Any questions?
Can you put that in English so that we can see the English version?
Mine is English. I don't know why it takes me to Arabic when I log into Sway. Anyways, you can know from the symbol.
Right.
This one is share.
Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Fine.
Mr. Anas, have you shared your sway with the team?
No, it's just here, and it's guiding for you.
Yes. Where can we see it? Where can we read it?
It's here on the screen.
Yes, I see, but later on after the meeting, can we go back to this?
Okay, here's mine.
Mm-hmm. Ah, yes, okay.
It's in technology integration.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, the last step, because I like to end in 1 or 2 minutes. In the same article itself, now can I have your attention, gentlemen? Your attention, please.
Yeah.
Step 3, you have the nomination link. You click on it. I will drop you the link now in the chat box. Now you click on start here. When you click on start here, it will tell you, are you going to create an account or to log in to log into an existing account, click here. So for those who did MIEE last year, like Kevin or Thomas or Hatem or the team of the National High School, you click here. If you are new to MIEE, you make sure that you still seek the word create here, and you add your email address and the new password that you like to have. If you're an existing MIE, you will see the word login. For the new ones, you will see the word create. For the existing MIEs, you have the word login. Once you log in, you'll have this self-nomination. As you can see, I'm done with my application for this year. This is my old one. It's canceled. And this is my new one for this year. I will click on edit just to show you the fields that you need to fill out. Now, this is the critical part. So you have the contact information, you have your personal data here, and the self-nomination data. So the first thing that you'll be asked to provide is the linked transcript. So you get the transcript from the OneDrive. You click on your name, copy, link. After you copy link, yes, you paste it here. Then you follow the steps. And here is the part about sway. You add the sway part here. Make sure that you click on yes for all the questions that will be asked, like, are you using Microsoft Teams, are you using Forms, are you using OneNote, stuff like that. Easy. Now we're done. Once you're done, you click on submit and it's over. You'll be just waiting for an email that you're becoming an MIE in August. I'm done. Any questions, gentlemen? Any questions, gentlemen?
Thank you, Mr. Anas. I think there's a deadline for doing the applying for MIEE. Is it 15th of this month or before?
The school's deadline is the 15th of this month.
Yeah.
But it's still next month, no problem.
Oh, actually, I'm preparing my my sway.
Yes, so you have
finished.
Time. You have time to finish your sway, to finish your MIE in case you're new to the system. Then you follow the application. Everything is there.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, gentlemen.